Hey everyone, this is Alexander with DIY Metar. So I've gotten a couple questions about what exactly comes in the kit and what you should do as soon as you get your kit in. So it's going to come in a box like this. So this is our 25 light DIY Metar kit. And so it'll come in the mail, come with your shipping label over the top. And so the first thing you want to do when you get it is you want to make sure that it works. And so we'll plug it in and we'll do a little test real quick. So when you open the box, we're gonna have our instructions, our disclaimer, DIY Metar maps are not a replacement for a full weather briefing, and then instructions. All this is also going to be available on the website as well. If you have any questions, go to DIYmetar.com. So when you unbox your kit, set the instructions aside. So you're going to have three main components. You're going to have the lights, you're going to have the power plug, and you're going to have the hub. Get that off there. Let you get a peek at that. So I'm going to go ahead and set this box aside over here. So that's all that comes in the box. So we designed it to be as simple as possible. And so when you first get it, you're going to want to go ahead and plug it in and test it. And this is probably the most exciting part, is when you actually get to see the lights. So we're going to connect it in. Lights are connected to the hub. I'll flip that around so you can read it. We're going to connect the power plug in, and then we're going to plug it in. And so it's going to go through a test cycle now. Green, yellow, blue, red, and pink. And so what we're looking is to make sure all these LEDs are on. Perfect. So now that we know that everything's working, we can go ahead and assemble our map. Yep. So this is actually a good thing. So if you notice how they kind of went to a zigzag pattern with the blue and the red and the pink, so this means that it's ready for the Wi-Fi pairing. So now that we know it's working, we are ready to start constructing our map. So in our next video, we're going to go ahead and build a small map, a 25 light kit, and hopefully answer any questions you have.